Hi, it's Chris from Duffy Floors, and we're here in the bathroom project. Had some pictures on my website, or we've been posting about this was a linoleum floor that was down here. The customer decided that they wanted to change it to a wood floor, as we've done all the other wood floors in the house here. We've used 2 1/4 inch white oak. We tore up the linoleum and the plywood, 1/2 inch plywood that was underneath it. Had to cut all the way around all the cabinets because the plywood went under those. So we cut around all that with the multi-tool and chiseling, and we got everything out. We did have a patch that we had to do right here in the subfloor because there was an area that was a little bit soft there. So we cut it out, we put bracing on the joist, and then we put another piece of plywood back into it. So what I've done now is I've established my straight line here. There's a red line right in front of that board. And what we've done is I've established a straight line here that's going to measure perfectly back to both walls, to the vanity, and to the tub. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to lay some paper down, and then we're going to spread the floor out and just bang it in. It's a tight area, so this will take some time to do. Probably as much as a big wide open room would take. Well, this is Chris from Duffy Floors, and tune in next time. Hopefully we'll have this floor installed and we'll keep you appraised on our progress.